put on the bike. We got us some boots. Alright, this is what we're putting on first. New clutch lever. Well, we had to run to the store, get some grease. Well, it appears that somebody really thought about this. That was actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty dope. Look at that, guys. You just slide that thing on there. It was like one bolt. It just
Yeah, gotta say what's up to my nigga Slick Rick. For those who don't like it, eat a dick. But for those who with me, sing that shit. Has it go a little something like this. Lordy dawdy, we likes to party. We don't cause trouble, we don't bother nobody. We're just some niggas who on the mic. And when we rock up on the mic, we rock the mic.